my friend Jared's car.
Zenicinos. Important.
Go talk about. Go talk about. Got the M light today.
Have some fake carbon.
Oh, is that just fake? Looks so real.
Boom!
Oh,
it's real.
Yeah, it's real. I mean, what do you say? We're on the road?
Go have some fun on some roads. A little late.
A little late.
But,
you know,
we'll make it up.
So one of the reasons I wanted to do a review on this car is this is basically the new Toyota Supra that they have out right now. It has the same engine, B58. It's got a manual transmission, and this came out in 2018. So you actually are getting like a sneak peek preview. And if you didn't want to spend the money for a brand new Supra, I think they're about 55, 60K, you could actually get a used version of the M240. If you are in the market for getting the M240, the biggest issue people had with this car is that it didn't come with a limited slip differential. He's like, the first thing I want to do is get a limited slip differential for the car. They make them, BMW makes them to install for the cars, and you can actually get BMW to install it with a warranty. Fantastic. The very first thing the previous owner did to this car, limited slip differential. He's like, this is the dumbest thing. Since that was already modified and already taken care of, he decided to do the downpipe and the tune like everybody talks about. So the most recent modification that Jared's done to his car is the Valvetronic design muffler system. He has it from about halfway to the back. Then he also did a resonator delete for the car. Have a lot more of a straight pipe feel. And the cool thing is you can even adjust the exhaust, so you can have an open straight pipe or you can have it closed, and it sounds like just a normal car. So if you think I'm shifting perfectly on every single shift, that is not me. That is the electronic system. This thing has rev matching, which is one of the coolest things that a car can have. That's a manual transmission. I remember the first time I ever heard about the rev matching on a car was with the Nissan 370Z. And it just has such a nice feel to the car. Whenever you're actually, downshifting and slowing down, it just, just feels like an automatic, but you're actually choosing the gears that you're going to be in. A lot of people give the rev matching a lot of crap. Like, oh, you're not actually revving through the gears, you're not heel towing and stuff, but I think it's fun. But it kind of gives you a good feel for what RPMs you're actually at, so that way when you do turn it off, you know, well, when I'm rev matching, when the car is doing the rev matching for me, I know about what RPM to be at. So it kind of gives you a good idea instead of just trying to guess without any system. Is a lot of carbon fiber modifications on the car. It's got a carbon fiber wing, carbon fiber splitter, a carbon fiber diffuser. So he's really done some tasteful modifications on the car, really made it look nice. And welcome to Possum Run. Let's have some fun. You know what's crazy? I just realized. I've been in regular this entire time. Oh my gosh. Ah! Oh my goodness. Woo! It just throws you around. Oh my gosh. specifically said
2 o'clock.
whatever time it is right now. What's up, dude?
Wish if you show up with a car.
Woo! So nice. So nice.
Makes you want to just do that instead, huh?
No. I just, you know.
Reliable 500 horse.
Yeah, it really is.
With AC.
With AC. Dude, that's the best part.
Do you remember how you held me then? Now you got me reaching out. And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out. Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, how long do I got to keep you, to keep you? Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, trying so hard not to keep you, to keep you.
So. Oh, I love it. I love it so much. But that's the thing, like, people don't actually have a frame of how fast a vehicle is until they actually go for a ride in one.
Right.
And it's just like, this thing is so fast. It's a
Stop bucking.
it's not talking for a second.
No time more
I had to accelerate there, you know, give me a second.
No more talking.
So it's a little bit faster than my car, in case you couldn't tell.
Yeah.
It's been a while. It's been a while since you've ridden my car.
Yeah.
So. That sounds so good. That sounds so good. Oh my goodness, it's so much fun. Somebody order some chili?
Yes, please. I'm on camera. You're on camera? What? What? Oh, look at you. It's a BMW.
Yeah, you go.
Bye, I love you.
That was really funny.
Car deserves 1,000% out of 100.
Exactly. Thank you. Yeah. You get it.
Nice car.
Yeah. I love doing able to take turns like that. Like just so fast.
Just like, I'm gonna go super slow. Nope.
Nope. Going fast. It's amazing how planted the car is when you do that kind of stuff too. Like it's built to do that, obviously.
Yeah.
But they take turns so much faster than like a normal car can.
Maybe a little.
I've said that probably like 100 times now. I'm like, yeah, it's fun. It's fun. It's fun. Fun.
It's fun.
Hey, are you having fun? Because I'm having a blast. I'm not sure you can tell about that or not. You know?
Do you think I'm having fun?
Got some ponies. All the fun stuff since Portland.
I know. So come on.
Like, why are there other modes? You don't need them.
Thank you. There's no point for.
Don't
Yeah, I want to buy a 300 horsepower car stock with, you know, the intent of getting good fuel mileage. That's what I want to do.
That's literally around the whole roundabout. Super car.
Ooh, nice, very nice. A huge shout out to Jarrett. Just say thank you so much for letting me drive the car. I know you wanted somebody to drive the car while you were gone, and I hope you enjoyed watching the video as much as I enjoyed recording it and showing it to the people. So, oh, there he is. I see him now. Yeah, from a long ways away. Holy crap. Alright, we got one last pull before Jarrett gets back. Hello, sir. Long time no see.
Scratches, no dents.
Not that I know of, at least. Yeah, if there are any scratches and dents, it was somebody else, wasn't me. So.